Hi guys, welcome back to Opportunity Nanny. Today we are going to be looking at the University College Dublin Global Excellence Scholarship. So the University College Dublin is a top university in Ireland. As last time I checked, it was number one university for graduate employability. So it's a very good university, you can check it out. So if you want a fully funded scholarship in Ireland, you can check my video on the Government of Ireland scholarship. It's going to open in January, but you can familiarize yourself with the process so that you can have your documents down before it opens. I'm going to put the link for that scholarship in my description box below. But let's look at the UCD Global Excellence Scholarship. And guys, please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you. So the UCD Global Excellence Scholarship is already opened. It opened on the 21st of November 2023. And as I said, UCD is one of the top universities in Ireland and one of the top in the world. It's a great university. You can check it out. So the Global Excellence Scholarship is offering 100% and 50% tuition fee waiver to undergraduate and master students. So if you apply for this scholarship, you can either get a 100% tuition fee waiver and a 50% tuition waiver, which is quite great. It will help a lot reducing your cost. If you get the 100% fee, if you get the 100% tuition fee waiver, all you have to do is just get or look for other way to fund your living costs and your flight ticket and your visa costs, and that's all. So we are going to they said the results will be announced 5 weeks after each regional deadline. But we are going to look at how to apply the terms and conditions and the application questions and instructions. So I've already opened all this in the tab. So in the next tab, so I'm going to show you guys, how we go about it. So we're going to be looking at the scholarship terms and conditions. So guys, as you can see, this is a 10-page document, so you can read on it, but we're not going to be touching on this bachelor's degree program and the master's degree program that are eligible for this scholarship. So you can just go through it to be sure that the program you're applying for, you are eligible to apply for this scholarship. So you can just go down, look at everything. You can see BSc in economics, MSc applied economics, and the rest. So you can just go down just to be sure. You guys can, as you can see, we have MSc Global Solutions and the rest. So you can go through this document just to be sure that whatever program you're applying for, you are eligible, or the program is eligible for the Global Excellence Scholarship funding. So we are going to be looking at the next document, and that is the terms and condition of the scholarship. But I'm going to first go to the deadline. So for North American students, those are living in Canada, USA, American, and the rest. Now, your deadline is 1st February. 1st February. For those in South Asia, that's Afghanistan, Bangladesh, India, Mauritius, and the rest, your deadline is 28th February. And you can see that the one for South Asia, I think the funding is only for graduates, and the one for North America, the funding is only for undergraduates. Then lastly, we have all other regions, and that's Africa inclusive, any region that is outside the EU, EEA, or Swiss Confederation. And the deadline for that starts 1st March 2024, as you can see. So let's go ahead and read some of the terms and conditions so that we'll know how to go about this. But you guys, please make sure you read these documents. It's very, very important because to guide your application and help you understand what the scholarship is all about and everything about it. So this scholarship aims to attract outstanding candidates to UCD program and to encourage early application. Now, successful candidates will be awarded either a 100% or a 50% tuition fee scholarship. And this scholarship is only available to students that is entering a new program at UCD. So if you already started a program at UCD, you are not eligible for this scholarship. Now, the scholarship is only open to self-funding candidates who are classified as non-EU for tuition fee purposes. And as I said, for eligible programs for the undergraduate and graduate thought programs, you can go through that document I previously opened so that you can be sure that whatever you're applying for is under you can apply for the scholarship. Now, the following programs are excluded for the Global Excellence Scholarship Scheme. We have the online programs, part-time programs, clinical programs, and offshore campus programs. So if you're interested in any of these programs, then you are not eligible to apply for the Global Excellence Scholarship. Now, to be able to apply for this scholarship, you must have obtained an offer letter, whether conditional offer letter, or you must have accepted your offer letter or conditional acceptance. So that's why it's very important to apply to this program on time so that you'll be able to get feedback, and then you can start the application process for this scholarship. Now for UCD, I know that for graduate level, for non-EU students, you have to pay €50 as application fee. So you have to check on that, and just to note that. Now, the applications for the Global Excellence Scholarship should be submitted in accordance with the instruction given in the Global Excellence Scholarship application document. So you look at the due date and time frame. As I said, the candidate will be notified within 2 weeks of the committee decision or within 5 to 6 weeks of the application deadline. As you could see below, the deadline for submission was March 31st. It's March 31st. 2024. So you guys can do well to read these documents properly. I cannot go through it because the video will be too long, but you read the document properly to be able to understand everything about it. So we are going to be looking at the application process and the questions you are going to ask, so that you can get yourself familiarized with it. So for this, don't worry about this. Once you have applied for UCD, you'll be able to log into your account and you'll be able to apply for scholarship area. So as I said, they even showed us here. So once you have applied, this will be your application. Then you can go down and apply for scholarship. When the apply for scholarship, so now that this scholarship is already open, you will see it in the scholarship application area as Global Excellence, either undergraduate or postgraduate, whichever one. This one is undergraduate, but if you are a postgraduate student, you will see there. So you can now choose to apply for the scholarship. So these are the questions you are going to be asked, and you are going to be answering it. Now, if you have graduated, what is your final high school result? Keep it in mind, please, that this is for undergraduate scholarship. If it's postgraduate, they are most likely going to be asking you what your bachelor's result is. Please select the program for which you wish to apply for a scholarship. You are going to write your reasons for applying for this scholarship. So, why have you chosen to study at University College Dublin? Up to 100 words. So please keep in mind the word count. Why have you chosen to study this academic program? Why should the panel select you for this scholarship? Why should the panel select you for this scholarship? Now tell us more about your future career ambitions. Up to 100 words. If you are awarded a scholarship, you are expected to act as an ambassador for the university. How would you fulfill this role while in Ireland and in your home country? So let me just give you an idea of what to answer. But please do your own research and don't take my words verbatim. But I'm giving you an idea of how to apply for the scholarship. Now, why have you chosen to study at University College Dublin? This is where you're going to hide the school. You're going to talk about maybe you chose to study there because they are one of the top 200 universities in the world. They have top rank in the island for maybe if you're a graduate student, graduate employability. You're going to hype the school up, talk about why you selected this. Maybe there's a particular top lecturer that has inspired you. Maybe there's an alumni that came out from UCD that inspired you. You're just going to talk about it's kind of like hyping the school up. You're going to talk very well about the school and stuff. Now, why have you chosen to study this academic program? I'm very sure that when you write your motivation letter, you would have given the reason why you want to study this program. So you're going to talk about, for example, if I choose to study economics, maybe I want to study economics, to help maybe developing nations or to change the world or to change a particular thing, we are going to talk about what was your motivation for picking that program. So if you already did a great job in your SOP, that's your statement of purpose or your motivation letter, you have an idea of what to write here. Now, why should the panel select you for this scholarship? Now, this is where you now hype yourself. Please do not be humble. Do not be humble. If you graduated with the first class, you're going to talk about it. If you have, maybe you're the president of a club, whatever you have done, any extracurricular activities, you're going to talk about it. If you won any award, whatever, you're going to hype yourself up, because you have to let them know why they should give you this scholarship among all the hundreds or thousands of people applying. So there's no need to be humble or to be scared of hyping yourself up. Please do a great job of hyping yourself up. Talk about what you most likely will bring in. So tell us more about your future career ambitions. That one, you should know what to do. You should know what to write, but you have to explain where you see yourself. It must not be a definite. It must not be a definite explanation, because some people may say that I'm not sure about where I want myself to be. You can talk about it in general. Maybe if you want to, maybe as an economics, if you want to influence policy, you can talk about, maybe being a policy analyst or a policy researcher just to influence and, develop a particular area, a particular country, something like that. Now, if you are awarded a scholarship, you are expected to act as an ambassador for the university. How would you fulfill this role while in Ireland and in your home country? You're going to explain. For example, you can see that you're going to know. That's what they said. How are you going to act as an ambassador for the university? For example, now I have a YouTube account. I can say that I'm going to document, or if I have an Instagram account, I can say I'm going to document my life as a UCD student. I'm going to act in a good light. You understand how to be an ambassador? You're just going to talk about maybe how you are going to help, maybe recruit students, or talk about Ireland UCD, so that students from the whole country will be exposed to the opportunity that UCD provide and something like that. You can just talk about how you're going to be acting an ambassador and everything. Now, if you're applying for a scholarship, how do you intend to fund the remaining costs, both for the remainder tuition fee, if applicable, and delivery expense? So if you're going to fund it, personal funding, friends and family, even if it's through loan, please, you can include it in the answer. If you have no comments to make in relation to the funding, please indicate so by typing not applicable. If you're not sure of how you will be able to fund your remaining scholarship, just put NA. You don't have to answer. As I said, the result of the Global Excellence Scholarship application will be released within 5 weeks of the deadline for application. Now, if a student has offers for multiple programs, they must indicate under which program they would like to apply for the scholarship. Instructions and Global Excellence. So guys, that's the end for the UCD Global Excellence Scholarship. Please guys, do well to apply. You know that you have to have gotten an offer or an unconditional offer if you want to be able to apply for this scholarship. If you have any problem with applying for any schools, because I'm not sure whether you guys have understand the steps and the process to apply for degree program, whether MSc or undergraduate. So if you guys need a video showing how to apply for a program, please just put in the comment section below so that I'll film a video on that. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any question, if you need any help on anything, if you need any guidance, please put it down in the comment section below. Thank you guys. And please don't forget to just apply. You can do your best to apply for any scholarship. As I said, don't allow fear to hold you back. Do not limit yourself. Put in all you can. You may be thinking that, okay, this is not for me, I'll not be able to get it. Please do well to apply. And don't forget, I'm going to be putting the link for the Government of Ireland scholarship. That one covers your whole tuition fee, gives you 10,000 euro towards living cost and also accommodation and stuff. But it's open in January. I'll put the link to this. I'll put the link to the video in the description box below so that you'll be able to understand the process and also apply. All right, guys. Thank you so much and have a nice day.